If you are inspired within, no difficulty, no obstacle in the world has the power to stop you. You become unstoppable. Soichiro Honda, the founder of the worldwide Honda automobile empire. What perseverance! Initially he prepared piston rings, went and presented it to Toyota. It was rejected. He said, never mind, I will set it again. Remember this line. He prepared another ring. This time it was selected, and Toyota also offered him some finance to start his factory. He built his factory. As his work was completed, there was an earthquake in Japan and his factory was completely destroyed. He said, never mind, I will set it again. He built his factory second time. As his work was completed, America dropped a bomb on Japan. Once again, his factory was ruined to the ground. He said, never mind, I will set it again. With much difficulty, no fund in hand, he took some loan and built his factory third time. But by this time, Japan had lost the war. Fuel was in short supply. People didn't have fuel to drive cars. So why will Toyota need piston rings? So the factory was ready, but there were no orders for piston rings. He said, never mind, I will set it again. Somehow he got an idea of putting motor in the bicycle and make it motorcycle. People liked this idea, but he didn't have money for marketing this idea. You know what he did? He got the list of 8,000 bicycle stores in Japan, wrote handwritten note to 5,000 stores. 1,800 stores responded and gave him some fund. With this help, he set up his factory and manufactured his first model. But it was too big. It was a total failure. Then he made a smaller model called Super Cup, and it was a great success. After that, he never looked back. He built his empire worldwide. In his time itself, Honda employed 1 lakh people throughout the world. If you are inspired within, any difficulty would look opportunity for you. And if you are not inspired, any small difficulty, obstacle will look like mountain for you. The key ingredient for success is perseverance with great determination. The mantra to win over any failure in life, never mind, I will set it again. Keep your inspiration burning within. Thank you. God bless you. Kindly share this message.